Want to clear up your Windows 11 taskbar and finally get rid of that persistent OneDrive cloud icon? Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to remove the OneDrive icon from your taskbar in Windows 11 as of 2025. Whether you just want to hide it, stop it from running automatically, or remove OneDrive altogether, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know all the ways to take full control over your system tray. Let's dive right in. The first method is perfect if you still use OneDrive but just want it out of sight. You can simply hide the OneDrive icon by moving it into the overflow area. All you need to do is find the little white or blue cloud icon down in your system tray, usually near the bottom right corner of the screen. Click and hold that icon, and then drag it over to the small upward-facing arrow, sometimes called the Hidden Icons area, and drop it there. If you've got a lot going on in your tray, this trick helps keep things tidy without stopping OneDrive from working in the background, so your files will still sync as normal. But maybe you want even more control over what appears down there. In that case, right-click on any empty space on the taskbar, nowhere near the icons, just an open spot. From the menu that pops up, select Taskbar Settings. Scroll down until you see a section called Other System Tray Icons. Here you'll find a list, and one of those will be Microsoft OneDrive. Flip the switch next to it to Off. This will make the icon disappear from your taskbar, even if OneDrive is still quietly running behind the scenes. It's a neat way to reduce visual clutter without messing with your file syncing. Think of it like shutting the door to a room you don't want guests to see, but the party is still going on inside. If you want to go a step further and temporarily remove the OneDrive icon and the program itself, from this session you can close OneDrive entirely. Click that OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray, then hit the gear icon labeled Help and Settings. In the menu that appears, choose Quit OneDrive. You'll have to confirm because this will stop all syncing and disconnect your account for now. The icon will vanish from your tray, but keep in mind, this is just for the current session. Next time you restart your computer, OneDrive will likely pop back up unless you change some deeper settings. Now, for those who want a more lasting solution, maybe you don't use OneDrive often or you just prefer to start it manually, you can tell Windows not to load OneDrive when your computer starts. Here, how. Press Ctrl+Shift+S together to open the Task Manager. Don't worry if you haven't used this before, it's the same place where you'd check what's making your computer slow. Click on the Startup Apps tab, which is over on the left and looks a bit like a speedometer gauge. Scroll through the list, find Microsoft OneDrive, right-click it, and then select Disable. This means OneDrive won't launch at startup, so the icon won't appear in your tray unless you open it yourself. And finally, if you've decided OneDrive just isn't for you, you can uninstall it entirely. Head to Settings, then Apps, and then look for Installed Apps. In the search bar, type OneDrive. When you find Microsoft OneDrive, click the three dots alongside it and select Uninstall. This will remove OneDrive from your device, and you won't see that icon again unless you reinstall it later. So whether you're reorganizing your workspace or simply removing distractions, these steps make it easy to control what shows up on your Windows 11 taskbar. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, ask any questions, or share your experiences down below in the comments. And of course, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.